I was just gifted this foolproof taping knife, and I am an absolute beginner. So in this video, I'm gonna put this to the test and see how well I can tape with it. Now, what I'm gonna test it on is this wall right here. I know this side looks great, but we just built this wall and I just painted it this weekend. But on the back side, it's completely unfinished. So I will be taping the backside for you in this video. Now this has a patented design, and that's that this bottom edge here actually is at a slight curve, which will help with feathering and taping even for beginners. It also means these corners have just a little more point to them, which is really nice to get into tight corners. And then on top of that, it's a really well-made knife. You have the stainless steel base that is both sturdy and has some give. You have this really nice handle that's easy to hold on to, and you can hang it. And it comes in all the sizes you need. I was gifted the 6-inch as this is the initial one you'll use for your taping. Now, I am an absolute beginner. I have never done this before. My husband did the prior wall. So this is me only doing it from what I've seen others do. I have my mud. I have my foolproof putty knife. Let's put this to the test. Now let's add the drywall tape. And yeah, I'm not going all the way because this actually goes behind a chimney that I don't actually want to go behind. Gonna break this off. To start off with, I'm just trying to get it smooth. And I actually think that worked pretty well. I'm gonna add some putty on top of that. This is actually pretty fun to do. That was rewarding to do. Now, this may not be a work of art. I am definitely a beginner here, but using that putty knife really made me feel like I was in better control of where the mud was going and allowed me to feather a little more cleanly throughout. And as long as I got the mudding consistency correct, this tape shouldn't pop, and I should be able to add more layers over this between sandings and get that flush surface that I want. I think this is a fantastic putty knife. Of course, I am not a professional, so keep that in mind, but as an absolute beginner, I really enjoyed using it, and I really like what my first try came out as. So if you're going the DIY route, you may love this putty knife.